Gang, 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 what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video, man. And right now, I'm leaving from the bank, man. I got the check in hand. Well, I just put it in the car, jump back out to start my little intro or whatever, man. Downtown Chicago right now. Yes, sir. Pretty much where I work at 80% of the time, I would say. But I think I found the truck that I want. Like I said, check is already in hand, written from my credit union. Now I just got to make it back over there to grab the check itself. I'm gonna go ahead and just get on over there, man, show y'all what it's looking like. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this joint, man. I did not go with the red one that y'all seen on yesterday's video. Just wasn't working for me, man. I went back and forth on this one with this guy. I want to go and test drive it. My phone had died yesterday, so you guys weren't able to see me test drive it. Otherwise, I probably would have just made it all one video. But it's okay because everything is content. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the whip, and I'm gonna pick the camera up when we in our new truck, man. Cause Big Blue did what it was supposed to do, man. Lasted us a couple years, and now it's time to get rid of it, man. So I'm gonna pick the camera up in just a second. I think I'm like 20 minutes away, so I'll let y'all in a minute, gang. All right, family. So I'm sitting here looking extra goofy right now, man. Just too much stuff running through my head, and I done went back to the place from yesterday where the maroon F-150 was at. Like, I'm tripping, man. I don't know where y'all live at, but Chicago traffic is nothing to go 30 minutes the wrong way in, okay? Because you just put yourself back like a good hour now. You know, everything is double. If it's 1 minute, then it's 2 minutes. If it's 20 minutes, then it's 40 minutes. But yeah, man, I done just tweaked out. The only good part about it is I left my clip for the window to hold the phone here yesterday. So I'm gonna go grab that, and then I'm gonna get on the road back to pretty much where I just came from, man. I put the wrong address into the GPS, and I wasn't paying attention because I had to run downtown real quick, and it's never easy going downtown. So whatever, man. I just wanted to tell y'all how goofy I feel right now. I just pulled up over here. That place was closer to where I was at. That place was like 15 minutes from where I was just at. I went 30 minutes up north, tweaking. But whatever, man. I'm gonna go grab this real quick and get back on the road. So stay tuned. Alright, so got it. Boom, that right there. That's what I left up here. But y'all see that joint over there, man. Man, it's a decent truck. It's 209 miles on it though, and he want 45 for it or something like that. That's dead, man. This truck I'm going to look at got 173 on it. And I'm paying 58 for it. You know, it's just, y'all gonna see it in a minute. Seems to be a better put together truck, so you know, whatever, man. I'm finna ride over here, y'all finna see it, and that's gonna be what it's gonna be. Alright, gang, man, we done pulled up on location. Check in here. Check in here. What else I need? Bad, y'all. I ain't even drop y'all like that. Just got a lot going on. Me and my son going to work after this. Grind don't stop. Go home with the new truck, grab my son, and then we finna go to work. tops. That's good right there. But alright, man, this is the truck right here. I'm gonna let y'all see it. Boom. What y'all think, man? Clean. Got a little dent right here. Might be able to get that knocked out. Jose and them might be able to take care of me on that. Got a box truck over here, 15 bands, that ain't bad. Decent little box truck. Now you grab them and make some money. I might grab it and make some money. This joint right here nasty though. I wonder how much they want for that. This wasn't here yesterday. Like that right there. That joint's super crazy. Probably out my price range though. I was also looking at this one right here, man. This thing is kind of nice. I done had one of these before. This don't run as good. That's 59 too. Oh, 350. They must have just got that in today. Ain't even priced it yet. Like that black on it though. I might try to wrap this black right here or something. This ain't nothing but some wrap right here. Kind of decent. Definitely finna start practicing with the wrap and stuff, you know what I mean? My hands can get on it. You know, I feel like ain't nothing I can't do. That one clean back there too. I had a white one right here too. I was gonna look at that white one. Got trucks out here though, man. Y'all need pickup trucks. Y'all like pickup trucks. I think this one for sale too. It ain't got no plates on it. They must have just picked this one up today too. Got the Ram in the front of it. It's pretty much the same truck that I'm looking at. The one I'm looking at just heavy duty. Got the big boy Ram in the front of it though. Go through something. Say this is a mechanic special. If you're a mechanic. Green one sold already. They got the hitch in the back, yo. Might have to try to pull the Mamba. Might have to try to pull the Mamba. Got a backup camera on it. I wonder if we can get that working. Actually, I'll show y'all this one too. This white one right here. Kind of decent. I don't like the two-door like this, because this is a two-door with a short bed on it. Short bed on it. I like the long beds. Seems to be a clean truck though. Inside clean. Got a little screen in there. They try to put the plastic down, make it look like it's, you know what I mean? They know how to get you. They know how to make it look good. Okay. They got Bose speakers in here. That's a little broke. 59 for this, 4x4. That joint right there just looks so good though. Let me get in front of this one so y'all can see. The look of this one just make you want to get it. Definitely don't run as good as that other one. It look good though. That hood crazy. What's up, man? Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut the camera on in a second, talk a little business with these folks. Alright, y'all. Squeezing through little areas. The Mexican suckers. I already know. What's a mural over there? Get the first picture in this joint in front of the mural. I don't know, y'all. I think the way I felt about it yesterday ain't the way I feel right now. Ride's good. The noise I hear might be a hole in the muffler or something. Pause too. Sucker fire though. So I'm about to grab my Diablo tuner, hook it up to this thing, and we're gonna see what's wrong with it. So I asked them why the check engine light on. And of course, no bueno. So we about to go and check it out. I don't know what it's doing. It should be on by now. Okay, my bad, y'all. No codes available. Say no codes up there. Decisions. Decisions. See what the radio sound like. Alright, y'all, like I say, man, we drove that one.
A couple of things that just was kind of throwing me off on it. I got this one started. Seems to be pretty quiet. It's got like a small dent right here on the side. Nothing real major. Staying pretty quiet. I'm gonna hook the scanner up to this too and see if anything's wrong with it. This thing right here just looks so good, y'all. It's running fairly quiet here. Inside of this one isn't too flattering. This is all messed up. Definitely need seat covers for it. Smells good in this one though. That other one smelled like a dog. And it's got my doors here. You know, I love that right there. The door open up. That joint right there sounds good. Ooh. Ugh. I done had one of these joints before. We got all power in here too. So let me go ahead and get a little ride with this, man. And I'm gonna pick the camera up in a second, y'all. So it didn't take long for that one, y'all. Spun around the block. This ain't the one, man. This ain't the one. I'm about to hook the ODM sensor or the Diablo scanner up to it and see what this check engine light is about too. Alright, family, man, I done finally got back over by the house, and as you see behind me, I have hired a new bodyguard. Big Blue is gone, man. R.I.P. to Big Blue and all the work that she put into the channel, but now we moving on to bigger things. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm just talking right now, man. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I am tired. I got my son in the car, gassing up for the morning. More content to come, man. More content to come. Shooting on the phone, man. I've been shooting off the phone for the last couple of days. I ain't had my camera. Just ripping and running, man. Make sure y'all support, like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Mook and the V, man. Out.